Evidently a lot.
Yes, sir. I love Willie Nelson. That's close enough for the shit I'm gonna play. Yeah, do y'all some Willie Nelson. But to do Willie, there's a technique to do Willie. First of all, you need a bandana and you need pigtails. I used to have these pigtails look exactly like Willie Nelson's real hair. I got drunk and left them somewhere. Speaking of that, excuse me. I got drunk and left them somewhere, and I was going through Utah. This cute little Mormon girl goes, "Well, I can braid you some braids." I said, "I'll bet you can." So,
under all this sheet music up here, it's in the wrong frickin' key.
F flat.
So
I forgot to tell this little Mormon girl that Willie Nelson wasn't blonde, and I don't want to hurt her feelings. So tonight I'm going to do a Norwegian Willie Nelson, little Helga Nelson from Minnesota, North Dakota, Ediford, and Eden. Sound like the chef on the Muppets. Heard of here to hoard, here to hoard. Yeah, there you go. Look, oofta, St. Provo girl. Woohoo! Yeah. Anybody look like Willie Nelson? But if you want to sound like Willie, you gotta get you some of these. These are nose plugs, like when you go swimming to keep the water out of your nose.
Yeah.
Also, these make a great gift idea. If you know somebody's sticking shit in their nose that doesn't belong in there. It's a thoughtful yet inexpensive gift. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. You can suffocate your ass. There's my disclaimer. This is what I use to get that authentic Willie Nelson sound. Twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. But you kissed me and departed. Why did we never meet again? Love is like a dog. Don't make me laugh. These on my nose. I'll shit in my pants. All the memories